How are you all students? Walaikum Assalam Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Students, take out your math number line book. Have you all done review time? Review exercise given on page number 80-81. Yes, students.
No, sir.
Yesterday I said you.
Yes, sir. Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam Rahmatullahi. Okay, so let's discuss review time. Review exercise page number 80. Yes, I think you have problem in question number 4 in mental maths. So I am telling you, okay, question 4 of mental maths. Yes, shall I start, students? Are you all ready? Okay. Yesterday many of you have not done question number 4. How many jumps will you take from stair with number 90 to reach stair with number 97? So let's see how we will do this. Suppose this is stair 1, which is number here 90. Okay, the number of this stair is 90. So we have to reach the number 97. Okay, we have to reach the stair which have number 97 from 90. Okay, so how many times you will jump to reach 97? So 90, then 91, you can write it like this. First you can mark numbers, okay? 90, 91, I am telling you by using this number line. Okay, suppose this is 90, okay, then 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 and 97. Okay, so from 90 we have to reach 97. Okay, so how many jumps we will take to reach 90? So let's count. From 90 we have to start. Okay, first jump will make like this. Okay, 91. So first, second, third jump, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. On seventh jump we will reach on 97. Okay, after making 7 jumps we will reach on 97. So this is question is asking how many jumps will you take. So 7 jumps you will take to reach 97 from 90. So 7 is the answer here. Okay, understood students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
You have to start from 90. Okay, 90 is given here na? The stair with number 90. Okay, any person is standing on the stair which has a number 90. Okay, and he has to reach the stair which is having number 97. So in how many steps, how many jumps he will reach on, he or she will reach on 97? Okay, so like this we will make jump 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So after 7 jumps we can reach on 97. Okay, that is our answer. Now review time. Question number 1, add and subtract. So mixed type problems are there. Okay, addition and subtraction problems, so we can do it easily. First I am telling, so this is of subtraction. Okay, here we have to subtract. First you have to see this symbol sign. Okay, whether you have to subtract or add, then you have to solve. So first ones place we will subtract ones place digits. Okay, so 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, so 1 we will write in ones place. Now 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, so we will write 4 at tens place. So 99 minus 58 is equals to 41. Like this you have to do other part. In this you have to add. Okay, this is plus sign, and then minus, then plus, then minus sign. Do solve question number 1 quickly, then we will do question 2. Yes, Aditya collected 89 coins and hmm, 89 coins of different countries. He gave 25 coins to his friend. Out of 89, he gave away 25 coins to his friend. So how many coins are left with him now? So what we need to find out? Yes, student, what we need to find out in this? First we have to find out the keyword here. So keyword is left. Okay, how many coins are left? So to find out how many are left, we need to subtract. Okay, so do it quickly. In subtraction we need to put the bigger number on the top. Okay, Yes, student, tell me the answer of part B.
0.
0.
64.
Why different answers are coming? Let's see everyone quickly. So Aditya collected 89 coins of different countries, okay, and out of 89 he gave away 29 coins to his friend. So how many coins are left with him now? So to find out left, we need to subtract. So in subtraction we need to put the bigger number first. So bigger number is 89 here, okay, then 25 we will write below 89, then we need to subtract to find out how many are left. So 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, okay, we'll write 4 at one's place. Now we'll subtract tens. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So 89 minus 25 is 64, okay. So 64 coins are left with him now. So we will write 64 in this blank. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have understood.
Now come on page number 81 and do it by yourself. Think and answer. And one question is life skills and values. Okay, so all three questions you have to do by yourself. So do it quickly, then I will ask questions. If anyone is having a query, you may ask, okay, you can write in the chat box. Question number 1 you have to solve in 2 steps, okay. A shopkeeper had 69 apples. He gave 7 to Sanjay, okay, 7 apples he gave away to Sanjay and 2 to Arpit. So how many apples are left with him? So first you can subtract 7 from 69 and then you will get answer, and then that answer you will subtract 2 again. So it means you have to do in 2 steps. In first step you have to subtract 7 and in second step you have to subtract 2 from the answer which you get after subtracting 7, or you can add how many apples he gave away, total apples he gave away. So you can add 7 plus 2, Okay, 7 plus 2 9. It means he gave away 9 apples, okay, to both Sanjay and Arpit. Then you can subtract 69 from 69 minus 9. Then also you get answer. In two ways you can solve this question. Yes, Myra.
Yes, sir.
Have you done question number 1 of think and answer section?
Yes, sir.
So tell me how you have done. What you have to
Yes,
do?
sir.
Explain it. Question number 1.
Question number 1 had no
Yes, beta.
question number have no done.
Yes, Barira Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain question number 1. How will you solve this?
A shopkeeper had 69 apples.
Yes,
He gave 7 to
Sanjay.
Sanjay and 2
To Arpit.
to Arpit.
Yes.
How many apples are left with him?
Yes.
69 minus 7
Yes.
minus 2
Yes.
equal to 60.
Okay, good. Aliza Sharik.
Yes, sir.
How you have done this? Question 1.
Yes, sir.
Explain question 1.
Sir, first Sarah,
Yes, first question.
a shopkeeper had 69 apples. He gave 7 to Sanjay and 2 to Arpit. How many apples are left with him?
Yes. How will you solve this? Your voice is not good.
69 minus 7.
Yes. And
69 minus 7 is equal to 62.
and 2 more he gave to Arpit. That also you have to subtract. You have subtracted only 7, na? He gave 2 to Arpit also. So that also you have to subtract. Let's see. A shopkeeper had 69 apples, okay? He's having total 69 apples. I am solving this here. Okay? He gave away 7 to Sanjay and 2 to Arpit. So how many he gave away total? 7 and 2, 9. He gave away 9 apples to Sanjay and Arpit both. Okay, how many apples are left with him? So you can subtract it 7 from this. Okay, 7 minus 2. Okay, 69 minus 7 because he is giving 7. Okay, gave away means subtraction. So 7 and 2 more gave away. So again subtraction of 2. Okay, you can do it like this also. First you can subtract these two. Okay, 69 minus 7. So 69 minus 7 is equals to 62. Okay, then we have minus 2. So write minus 2 here. 62 minus 2 is equals to 60. Okay, so how many apples are left with him? We have to find out the left one, so that's why we are subtracting here. Okay, how many apples are left with him? 60 apples. Okay, understood everyone? Or you can do it like this also. 69 apples are there total. Okay, and he gave away 7. So gave away means subtraction we will do. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 6 we will write as it is. Okay, in this method you have to take 2 steps to solve this. Okay, first we will subtract 7 from 69. 62 will come. Then from 62, how many more he gave to Arpit? Gave to Arpit 2. So 62 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 6. So this is our answer. Okay, 60. But you have to do in 2 steps, so you may confuse in this. So you can do this one. Okay, which method is easy, students? First or second method is easy? Speak.
Second one is easy.
This one is easy. Okay, you can do
Yes.
by using any method. Okay, you can use first method also, or you can use second method also. Okay, now
Class.
yes,
There are
a question 2 in class first A there are 38 students. Okay, out of total 16 are girls. How many boys are there in the class? So read question carefully and then tell me what you have to do in this addition or subtraction. Read question number 2 everyone carefully. Yes, what we have to do in question 2? Subtraction. Very good. Why we have to do subtraction? What he is asking? In class first A there are 30 students. Okay, total 32 students are there in the class. So out of 32, 16 are girls. Okay, in class boys and girls are there. Okay, total 38 boys and girls are there. Out of them 16 are girls. Okay, so remove 16 from 38, you will get boys only. Okay, if you subtract girls from total number of students, you will get only boys. Do it quickly. Yes, Hassan Jamal. Understood? Question number 2. Have you understood question number 2? Amit Ali Khan. Yes, Amit Ali Khan. Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Have you understood question 2?
Yes, sir.
What do you have to do in this?
Good. 22 answer.
What do you have to do? Addition, subtraction.
Minus.
Subtraction, okay? So let's see question 2. So total 38 students are there, okay? Out of total 16 are girls. So how many boys are there? So we have to subtract. Yes, okay? We will subtract number of girls from total number of students, then we will get only boys. So 8 minus 6 is 2 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 22 boys are there, okay? 16 are girls and 22 are boys. If you add both boys and girls, you will get 38. Do question number 3 also. Sorry, last question, life skills and values. Time is also going to finish. So student, I am going to end this meeting. Okay, you have to share your work on WhatsApp. Okay students,
Okay, sir.
we'll continue the class on WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Complete your work and share on WhatsApp.